another crafting corner. Today's activity is something that you can use to go on an adventure outside or even in your house. The only things you'll need are 2 toilet paper rolls, some crayons or markers, and tape or a hot glue gun. I'm using hot glue. We are going to make something incredible. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make some binoculars. Does that sound like fun? Great. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is color your toilet paper rolls. You can color them any way you want. I think I'm going to do 3 different colors. As you color, maybe you put patterns or different textures like polka dots or squiggly lines. You can make your binoculars as colorful as you'd like. You could even use a glue stick to put on silly things like puffballs or googly eyes or glitter. When you're done coloring, ask your grown-up to help you attach your 2 toilet paper rolls together. Remember, if you and your grown-up are using a hot glue gun, you need to let your grown-up do that part. But if you're using a glue stick, you'll want to cover this whole side with glue and stick them together, okay? You can also ask your grown-up to tape them together this way. Here I go. After you connect them together, you can ask your grown-up to punch some holes in the side and attach a string if you'd like. Then you're ready for your adventure. Thank you so much for joining us for this crafting corner. If you'd like more content like this, make sure that you subscribe below and check out the donation link in our description. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.